Hey guys, welcome back. This is me, Veet Sagar. Welcome back to another video. Today I've got my birthday gift. You can think it of, but it was late due to some other reasons, and I was waiting for good offers. So this is the Insta360 One the twin edition. The present box is so weighty. I mean, it's around 400 to 500 grams. So let's unbox the Insta360 One Twin edition. This is not the 1-inch one. This box comes with an 4K mod, which is capable of recording action videos at the resolution of 4K at 60 frames, and also it comes with a 360 mod. So that is the main reason why I have shifted from GoPro, Procus, some number of DJI Osmo or other comparators which are in market right now. So let's unbox this box. Let's talk about the specifications while we move forward. Talking regarding the product, so the product cost which is mentioned on the box is 54,999. So this is my favorite father's knife, which is I'm going to use it for unboxing. This knife I has been using for almost all the unboxing videos. So this is an waterproof because this complete mod setup will be fitted from edge to edge. So I guess most of you might have already gone through. If you are an action camera enthusiast, then you might have also got an option of Insta360 One R. It might be twin edition or single edition or whatever it might be, but it has got some many unique features, like it can shoot 360 video at 5.7K, and it has got 4K wide angle, and it has got flow stabilization, and has got invisible selfie stick, and this is only waterproof until 5 meters without any case on it. And if you get a waterproof case, you might go for up to 50 meters underwater, and for now 5 meters is enough for me. I'm not going to do any scuba diving, right? So, and it has got many unique features like hyperlapse, 8x slow mo, night shot, HDR video, HDR photo, etc, etc. So without wasting any time, let's unbox the product. So this is very simple because I already cut it in 3 pieces. Whoa, I'm putting this aside. We have got a battery grip. I'm putting all of them on the table right now. I'll show it to you. And this is a 360 mod. And here comes the main body part of the Insta360 One R edition. So I'm going to replace the sections because you can see them quite easily. And this is the 4K mod. This is a 360 mod. This is the main mod where all the data will be stored, and this is the only single mod which will be there alongside. You might be using whatever mod. It might be 1-inch sensor mod, or it might be 4K mod. It might be 360 mod. So this is the main part. We have got another section. So I guess there is an metal cage or aluminum cage for product, which is also been inside a box, I guess. Okay, and we got a Type-C cable. You can quickly charge from a power bank. This is absolutely stunning because we may not be able to get pauses all the time, right? So we can use this Type-C cable to power your device instantly via high power rated power bank. So this is some silica gel, comes usually with all the things, but this is comes with a package because every time if you are going to use them in the water, the mods, then you might need them because you have to dry them up, or else there might be some fungus or bacteria might form upon them. And we got some 2 cool stickers from Insta360. Awesome, right? I'm placing them over there and keep them aside. And I guess we got some trim cloth. Yes, this is from Ashish Vision company. I don't know what company it is, but we have got lots of a mini booklet, guide. I don't know when I'm going to go through all of them, but surely I have to go through, or else I'm gonna mess with the settings, and then no one will be able to help me then. I'm putting all of them aside because there is no space on the bench. Okay, so it shows how One R waterproofing works. I'll show you in a bit. Insta360 provides is better quality, better price, and better mod. And we have got lots and lots of accessories which you can directly order from Amazon, Flipkart, or any number of sites which are available in India. And I guess this is another warranty card, so I have to register warranty in a bit. So don't forget to register. But there is another website for Insta360 India, so where you have to go and register yourself. I mean, you register your product. And finally, we got out of the box. So this is an plastic case. Wow, I thought it might be some metal case, but okay, no problem. We can adjust because we already adjust for many things in our life, right? So this is the cover for 360 mod. So I'm just gonna put the 360 mod in it to show you how accurately it is gonna grip the lenses. So sorry, I have placed it in the wrong way. So this is how your Insta360 mod is protected. The 360 mod is being protected. Insta360 has not provided any mounting plates. And okay, I'll show you what are the possibilities with the present mod settings which I have over here right now. So let's remove the 360 mod out of the cover. So guys, talking regarding the modularity, Insta360 One will be on my topmost priority list because it has got 1-inch mod where you are able to shoot at 5.3K, which is higher than the GoPro. It can be shooted at, in GoPro you can shoot only at 5K, whereas in Insta360 1-inch mod, which is produced by in cooperation with Leica, it is capable of recording the video at 5.3K for 30 frames if I am not wrong. And this is the 4K mod, this is the 360 mod, and this is the main unit where all your video will be processed. And I don't guess whether it is being sold separately or not, as I told earlier. And I've used it for quite some time while vlogging, while doing some 360 stuff. And if you have not seen my last video, I'll be throwing the link in the I button, where you can see I have shot a video using the 360 mod of the Insta360 One Twin Edition. So I think the output was quite awesome because at night time this was a quality, and I guess at the morning time while you're shooting in some bright sunny day, so the quality might be enhanced. And talking regarding the quality, the 1K mod is capable of recording at 4K 60 frames, 1440p 60 frames, and 2K at 60 frames, and 1080p at 60 frames, and at least 720p at 120 frames if I'm not wrong, because I have not gone into depth. As we are typical Indians, we might take some time to remove all the covers. So this is the cover on the battery grip. So I removed it as quick as possible to get some sleek sound effect. And this is the case, and this is a mod where all your data will be processed and will be stored. And I'm going to remove the wrapper over it. And this is the Insta360 One mic adapter, which is very small, but this costs around, if you are going to measure in Indian rupees, the currency is around 1,900 rupees, and this is quite small. But unfortunately Insta360 is selling only, and it is only the part which is compatible with Insta360 One. And I have tried with other Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack, which are capable of getting input from TRRS and TRRS mic adapters. But unfortunately, that was not possible with my other mic adapter, so I have to go and get the Insta360 One mic adapter, through which the audio quality was decent enough. And I'm not yet using it for my helmet setup because my accessories have not yet arrived. So I'm waiting for those accessories. Once it's arrived, actually, I think by the time this video is going to release, I will be on the road to some destination, and you will be going to know about the destination in next few videos. And that vlogs are going to be very much unique because this is the first time I'm going to motor vlog on my bike using some 4K mod and the 360 mod. So if you want some great experience, grab your mobiles or your laptops or your bigger screens and watch it on that. So coming back, sorry for the buffer time. Coming back to the product, I have not yet removed the cover. So this is how it sounds. And I'm going to remove the wrap from the 4K mod right now. You are seeing on the screen. So if you want to hear the plastic sound, better I recommend using the headset. So quite cool and quite neat, because I have not yet used it for the outdoor shoot. Once I'm going to use it for the outdoor, then all will be messed up. as usual because of the Indian typical weather. And I have to get some lens covers for the Insert 360 mod which are available, but unfortunately they're out of stock everywhere on n different websites. And if you have any website recommendation for Indian which will be shipping to India, then please comment down in the comment section below. And I think I might be the first guy who is trying to vlog the motor vlog by Insta360 after the rider girl Vishaka. She is an amazing rider, and she uses it for as an 360 camera, but I am going to use it as a motor vlogging camera. So I might be a first person, I am not yet sure, but if you have some other persons, like if you know some other persons who are using the Insta360 as their motor vlogging setup, then do comment down in the comment section below. So don't forget to see my other vlog where I have used the 360 mod to capture some amazing footage from the Ravandan event. So modularity, you cannot mod both the lenses at one time, so just use while you do it. And this is the 360 mod which just clips onto the battery base. So you heard a click sound, right? So this is very firmly sat over there, and there is a small button over here. While removing, be careful with it. So you have to completely press it towards yourself and you have to carefully remove it. As it's been 1 week, I have got addicted. I mean, I have got how to remove it in an easier manner, but I would recommend you to watch the instructions before you do the same. And this is how the 4K mod will look when you mount it on the mounting battery base. Okay, and you have n number of accessories which are available for Insta360 US residents, but unfortunately those are not available for Indian residents. Hope all of them will be available soon in the India also. I have been contacting in different stores where I could get some accessories, but still on search. If you have any store recommendations, please comment them in the comment section below. It will be helping me a lot. So this is a mounting plate which is a basic, but which has been already was in box by Insta360 people. So guys, this is about Insta360 I will be back with another news. This is about the product Insta360 Twin Edition, and which I have bought. And if you have any more queries or questions regarding the same product, then comment them down in the comment section, and surely I am going to answer you all. And consider subscribing to the channel, which will be helping me a lot and which will be motivating me to give you guys some good content. And also, if you like the video, hit the like button and share with your friends and let them know about the Insta360 Twin Edition. So guys, that's it about the video. I'm going to wrapping up over here right now. See you next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay tuned, stay safe, goodbye, see ya.